In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to coat a roof properly using elastomeric roof coating. So when done properly with the right materials, this process can repair or even prevent roof leaks. But most of all, it's going to greatly extend the life of a roof, and it can lower energy bills by as much as 30%. So first you want to make sure you have the proper tools for the project. First thing is clothes, what you're going to wear. You'll want to wear clothes that can get dirty, that you really don't care about. Long sleeve shirt, long pants, and a hat are ideal. Basically, the less exposed skin, the better, because anything the roof coating gets in contact with, it's going to be very hard to get it off. So the other tools you'll need for the job include gloves, a ladder, a hose, a nearby water source, pressure washer, a pole or a broomstick that will screw into a paint roller handle, 9-inch paint roller frame, a 4-inch brush, a 9-inch long nap or roller cover. So basically a long painter's setup is what you want, a 9-inch frame, and the thicker the roller cover, the better. So a 1 1/4 inch thick nap is recommended because it'll hold more coating. And when you can hold more coating on your roller, then you'll do less strokes and it'll cut down on your time. You want to make sure you have the proper amount of coating for the job, as well as the right coating. There's a bunch of different roof coatings out there. The one that we found works the best is Tucson Rubberized Coatings Product 7000. It will hold up in harsh sunlight and harsh weather, but it will also resist breaking down when there's puddling or standing water. So this coating is proven to last the longest in harsh weather. During application, the recommendation is the air temperature outside should be between 50 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and you really don't want to have a chance of rain in the forecast. So now that you have all your tools, your clear skies, you're ready to start the project. First step is get that roof as clean as possible. This is likely the most important step in this process. You don't want to have any loose debris, any particles up there, or any dirt or grease or oil at all on your roof. So it's impossible to get a roof 100% clean. We understand that, but you want to get this roof as clean as you can, you know? So do the best you can here. If there's old roof coating or something peeling up on your roof, you'll want to scrape that off using a scraper. You can sand down these areas as well, but basically you don't want anything loose up there, and you want to get rid of everything old that's deteriorating on your roof. The best way to clean the roof, and probably the most efficient way, is by using a pressure washer. So hook up the hose, fire up the pressure washer, and then clean your entire roof with that pressure washer and get all the dirt, grease, and everything up as much as you can. Then you'll want to let that dry for 24 hours. So after you pressure wash it, you want to make sure it gets completely dry. Now that the roof is completely clean and dry, you'll want to seal all your skylights, your roof jacks, any other protrusions that are up on the roof. This is the time to reinforce any low spots. If you have a leak, this is when you'll want to repair your leak with the polyester fabric and a patching compound. I believe this is product 501 at Tucson Rubberized Coatings. 99% of leaks are going to come through a skylight, a roof jack, a bad scupper, or a low spot. So this is when you can prevent all that. Now that you've repaired all your leaks, sealed all your skylights, protrusions, reinforced your low spots, you'll want to let this layer dry for 24 hours. Okay, so now that you're ready to apply your first coat, you'll set up your ladder where you want to exit the roof. Then take up the amount of buckets that you'll need for your first coat. Take up your roller frame with your roller cover, your whole setup, and take one bucket to the furthest part from the ladder and start applying your coating. The key to applying the coating is to keep your roller cover heavily saturated. So keep a good amount of coating on your roller at all times. The roller should slide and not actually turn over or roll too much. You're really just spreading the coating out along your roof in nice even strokes. If your roof has a pitch, it is recommended to apply the coating going north and south. To be honest, it's not the biggest issue as far as which way the strokes go. The biggest thing is getting the proper amount of coating on your roof and covering the entire roof properly with the coating. When you get to the end of the first coat, you'll find you'll want to finish the coat while standing on the ladder, because you want to get every part of the roof coated, but obviously you can't step on the wet parts. So you'll want to finish up your first coat while standing on your ladder and getting the entire roof coated. So after your first coat's done, you let that dry for 24 hours, and then you go back up and repeat the same exact process for coat number 2. After you complete this, your job is complete. You're done. Wait till this is all completely dried. Go up, look at your roof. If you missed any spots, touch that up. But really, your job is complete, and now your roof is set to go for many years without being coated again. What will extend the life of your coatings is by keeping your roof clean. For answers to questions on any step of this process, you can visit rubberize.com or call any Tucson Rubberized Coatings location.